If there's a time that you will lose everything, do you think you can go back where you are right now?
Yeah, I think about losing everything all the time. It's not as big of a fear anymore because the skills that I've been able to learn, I can apply to anything. I'm a sales guy first, okay? If you could sell, you could do anything in this world. But you gotta know how to sell. You know, I meet some people sometimes and I'm like, you got the sauce. And you just feel it. It's a personality, it's a tonality, it's the way they carry themselves. It's a whole bunch of things that kind of make somebody unique enough where you could do anything.